Now, in other news, Lebanon says that 9 people were wounded after an Israeli strike damaged a public hospital in the country's south, and this amid continuing cross-border hostilities between Israel and Hezbollah despite an existing ceasefire. The Lebanese Health Ministry said the strike caused extensive damage to Tibnin Public Hospital, including the emergency department, intensive care unit, and several other sections of the facility. Ambulances parked in the hospital courtyard were also reportedly damaged. Now, Lebanese officials say that at least 16 hospitals have been affected since fighting resumed on March 2nd, while more than 100 emergency and healthcare workers have been killed during the conflict. Meanwhile, Lebanon's state-run news agency, it has reported additional Israeli airstrikes across southern parts of the country. Smoke was seen rising from the village of Haniyeh following one of the raids. Now, Hezbollah says that it carried out multiple retaliatory attacks using rockets and drones targeting Israeli troops in southern Lebanon. Although a truce came into effect on April 17th, Israel has continued airstrikes, demolitions and evacuation orders in southern Lebanon, maintaining that its operations are aimed at Hezbollah positions. Hezbollah, in turn, has also continued attacks along the border region. Now, just last week, the ceasefire was extended by 45 days, following a third round of direct talks between Lebanese and Israeli representatives in Washington. The Iran-backed Hezbollah group has strongly opposed those negotiations. Lebanon's health ministry says Israeli attacks have killed more than 3,000 people in the country since March 2nd. The conflict escalated after Hezbollah launched rocket attacks on Israel, following the killing of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in a joint US-Israeli strike. Now, testimony from residents and officials, as well as satellite images and photographs taken on both sides of the border, they show widespread destruction in dozens of Lebanese towns and villages since the start of the Israel-Hezbollah war.
We hope the war stops immediately and that they withdraw from every inch of our land and let us live out the rest of our lives so that we can rebuild what we lost and create new memories for our children that they can tell their children about, and to erase the echoes of the strikes that still ring in their ears.
Meanwhile, the United States has announced sanctions against 9 individuals linked to Hezbollah, accusing them of obstructing the peace process in Lebanon. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that Hezbollah must be fully disarmed and accused officials within Lebanon of enabling the group's activities and undermining efforts towards lasting peace. In a separate announcement, the U.S. State Department said that it is offering a reward of up to $10 million, and this for information leading to the disruption of Hezbollah's financial networks.